Hello class 10 student, this is Priyanshu and today I'm going to talk about our biology chapter 1 nutrients, and in this one we are going to see the most important question of this chapter. Okay, so let's see this. So actually this is a notes given here, and we are going to see this. Okay, so here it is also this given in your textbook also, like vitamins and minerals and whatever it is, and here it is given like resources of vitamins. You can remember this one because this is important for you. So this list is given. Okay, so let's see the practice question is given here. Okay, so this is a very short question. What is the autotrophs nutrients? So actually this is a very important question. Name the insurance. Okay, write the function of a small intestine and large intestine. Second question is important. What is the factors of, this is also photosynthesis. Mention the light depends on the light okay, write the end product of photosynthesis. Okay, what would happen if photosynthesis does not take place in plant? Okay, so actually these are the important questions. Actually our first chapter is nutrition. When you have a good knowledge about your chapter, then these questions are very easy for you. Okay, what food do you suggest for your friend who's suffering for obesity? This is important. Okay, because it will ask you in the long question. Okay, now here it is a short question answer. Write the difference between okay, this is important, autotrophs and heterotrophs. Explain the role digestive enzyme in the digestive of foods. Okay, read this one. Write the reason for malnutrition. This is also important, malnutrients. Okay, and fourth one is also very important, and then after you can go through this one. Write the other names of vitamin C and etc, whatever it is. Easy type questions. So here the easy types question is given, but it is not easy because without, if you don't have any idea about any topic, then it is not easy for you. Okay, so here it is given. Explain the structure of chloroplast with the help of diagram. Okay, this one. Write the producer and whatever it is. I don't think it will be. Explain the, I don't and this one, human digestive system explained with the label diagram. Okay, so I hope till here it is clear. And this is a multiple choice question because 10 marks for the MCQ, so you can choose this one. This is a multiple choice question. The digestive juice with the enzyme. Okay, the vitamin help blood clotting in the humans. Choose the correct and choose the pairs. And the sixth one, you can see which disease is actually in this photo, which disease is it, like it is given option A, option B, option C, option C. So I think option A is correct. Okay, but you can write this one. Okay, so till here it is clear. And if you want to see the chapter wise all the questions, important questions, so in description there is a link of playlist. You can click the playlist and you can check out. Otherwise, if you want to check mathematics, physics, chemistry, bio and other subjects, social studies, then go to our channel, click on the playlist and you can find the playlist there and you can watch all these videos. Okay, and I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you. If you like this video, then share with your friends and leave a comment with us for the any recommendation. And if you have any doubt, then definitely you have to leave the comment and I definitely reply that. Okay, so I hope from today's video it is clear. In the next video I will talk about our second chapter. So let's meet on the next video. Jai Hind.